Our pleasure now. We're getting some legal advice from attorney William Fenton Sink. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
We wanted to ask you, just rattle off some questions for our viewers. And so let's start with wrongful termination. Can you tell me what that is?
Sure. Wrongful termination is when an employer does something illegal, immoral, or unethical,
Okay.
and fires the employee without cause. It isn't wrongful for everyone. Some feels like if the employer is mean to them that that's a wrongful termination, but that's not.
Okay.
So feeling like you're living in an environment that people are not nice to you, there's nothing you can do about that. It's got to be either a public policy violation,
Okay.
a whistleblowing violation, or a civil rights violation.
Okay.
And if you have that and the employer terminates you because of that, that's a wrongful termination.
I know that this is on many different levels, but sexual harassment, what exactly is that?
What's illegal is putting the employee in a position where typically it's a woman, is being harassed by a supervisor or the owner of the business in order to, as a condition of employment, to engage in sexual activity.
Okay.
Now, there's different levels of it, as you pointed out. There's the where you actually get sexually harassed. Then there's the hostile work environment, which is where the conditions are so difficult because of the sexual context that the employee is unable to work there, or is terminated because she will not go along with the advances of the employer.
These are all very important to me because as a father of daughters, I want to make sure that they're safe both in the work environment and that they're not being mistreated. And so since you brought up work environment, can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Race, creed, color, sex, national origin, disability, age, marital status. If you are retaliated against because of those conditions, that is a form of either termination or retaliation, and those are all actionable against the employer.
Here's another one for you. What does whistleblowing mean?
A whistleblower is someone who sees something that is illegal, immoral, or unethical, reports it to either the employer or to an agency. Classic case is the bank teller who sees the bank manager embezzling money.
Okay.
And she reports it to the FBI, and she gets terminated because of reporting it. So if you see something that is illegal, immoral, or unethical, you've actually got a duty to report it. And the incentive for reporting illegal activity is that you have a cause of action against the employer.
My last question for you is, what exactly is a violation of public policy?
A public policy means that there is a rule, regulation, ordinance that respects the rights of people.
Okay.
So, typical public policy case is when the employer tells the employee to do something illegal, immoral, or unethical, and the employee refuses to do it. And then the employer retaliates against the employee. That's a violation of public policy.
Thank you so much for being here. If anybody wanted to get a hold of you that has more questions that we didn't answer today, what's a good way to do that?
The best way to get me is just to call 531-7162. You can find me on Google if you want to, under Willie Sink.
William Fenton Sink, attorney. Thank you so much for being with us on Living It Away. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
We'll have much more on Living It Away when we continue.